Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP NV6458E printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP NV6458E printer drivers and search for that. Best result should come back with HP NV6458E all-in-one printer software and drivers. Open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down and select the installation software and driver category or section. And there should be an easy start printer setup software link in here. Select download for that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to extract it. And it should be from a signed verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with this pretty automatic wizard here. Just will walk you through a couple different steps of setting up your printer to get it to recognize your computer. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.